Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello and welcome today. Like you see, we're at Greenfields Reservoir and you would like to know what's down the sinkhole. Today we will find out, so stay tuned. We do not go down this one, but we do go down a different one. Right, here we go.
Deep breath.
This is the...
They're not going to go brrrr.
Hopefully. This is where we're going into a reservoir overflow. So it's like a big sinkhole. So yeah, we're going down and have a look. Carl's down there.
Happy days.
Got T420 Tom.
I'll go down that.
Go on there.
Got a little legend there.
Hello, mate.
Hello mate. Your pants are all wet.
Oh, me pants.
That's because we went underneath a secret waterfall tunnel.
Got to get the grip now.
We're going to bring these inside.
Yep, might as well.
See someone from taking them.
Because I remember last time we couldn't get up because we couldn't reach the ladders.
Yeah, we're in the Urban Legend merch.
We've got little legend and the man himself.
Yeah. Sounds like lots of people talking.
Hello!
It's going to be freaky. That's fine. Jamie, go. It's going to be freaky this. Freaky this.
Oh,
And you can hear the echoes. I've got to do the famous screech.
Hello! Saturday guys, how's it going? I'll come back. You're an idiot! So today, we've got this massive tunnel. It's actually a reservoir.
To see how far we can go without the line.
Guys.
This shows up like pretty good, doesn't it? What's that?
right, so here we go. Turn the light on. There you can see. So basically we're under 110 metres.
Oh, 110 metres underground?
No, to the main hole. To the drop.
Drown rats. Look, spiders.
There.
So these spiders.
Look at that moth. Look at the size of that moth. Absolutely massive. That's not that big, that. Seems big on.
So different, isn't it? Yeah, they're the spider webs everywhere. Meters, mate. 21.
You see it bending round now, it's like when it starts to bend.
Behind your car.
Hey, imagine having to take the cord and leaving it down here.
Help me, please!
Help, I fell down. Help.
I fell down the well!
I'll get help, laddie!
You will get people going, won't you? Please don't do that, I'm only joking. Yeah, not advised.
Just not be thumbnail with your smooth trunk. Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah, that's all the rocks that people throw down. So, like I say,
This is the overflow for the...
Watch your head.
yeah, when we're getting near the end, like you see, these rocks can bounce quite far. So if anything starts coming down, yeah, look out.
Yeah, we all might find something.
You hear that?
Yeah, something coming down here.
Be a plane.
That rumble.
Be a plane above the
You smell that?
air pitch.
Yeah. Smell that something dead?
It's like, it's a sloper, and then gets even more steeper. And there, you can actually see up there, whether we can get up here, son. Slowly but surely. Whoa! Aiming all the way up, son. That's as high as I'm getting without falling. Yeah, that's pretty mad, that. Can you see the top?
Yeah. Whoa! Shine the light that way so we can see the floor. I'm going.
I can see the top
Just about. Oh, he's off. Yeah, that's mint, that. Do you want me to grab that for you? Go on.
Let's send us some footage if you get your shot there. That's just if you see that.
Yeah, you can see that on the screen, I think. That's mad, bro.
Yeah, I'm falling, sliding back now. Yeah, I'll do it for you in a sec.
There you go.
I'll pass that down.
Here's your camera, pal.
Don't turn it off.
Go for it. I need to get back up a bit. Whoa.
Careful.
Yeah, set that up. Oh, nice. It's going.
Problem is, you can't see where you're going when you look down with the light.
Cheers, Carl.
So I wonder how full this would get when it does get overflown.
You know what would be cool? Getting a GoPro and sticking it on the wall.
Yeah. For a storm one, yeah, definitely.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. So this is my second time actually down this one. I came down here about 15, maybe 20 years ago with a few of my mates. Yeah. But obviously we don't film stuff back in the day. We didn't have cameras in your phone or anything like that.
Yeah, that's it.
So
It's just Snake.
it's good to come back and document something that we've done in the past.
Outside that which is still in Platfields Park, we used to play there when we were kids.
Did you?
It's good to go back there and film.
Look at that spider coming down now.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
Yes, I've got minis in my race.
Warning, flashing lights for next 5 seconds.
That you, Strawberry?
Yeah.
Well, fuck people's eyes up that, won't it?
Can I get a... Oh, yeah.
At least no one's nicked the ladders. The ladders are still there anyway.
It's all this moisture.
Condensation.
Moist.
Yeah. Don't get too close to the walls.
They're spiders.
And this one.
The spiders are mainly on the outside where the flies come in. And that's about it. They don't really come down too far.
Hey, do that here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello, and welcome today. No, start again. You alright, mate? Carry on. Just doing a little video, that's all. Outtakes.
What, you just talking to yourself?
No, little camera up there. So.
You doing alright?
YouTube there if you want to check us out. The Urban Legend. Stay safe till next time.
Cable drop?
No, leave it. Don't touch the camera.
Yeah, wait.
It's okay. It's all set up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Camera. This lead plugs in the camera. You see, then I can see what I'm doing. If you look here, I'll show you.
It's too low, no?
Not too bad. It's better up there than here because you can't see behind you. See.
Yeah.
And you can also move it about like this. But hopefully that picks up my face as well. So I can like pick this guy's face here.
Yeah.
1 second. There. And he can walk about now and it'll follow him.
Alright.
Go for a little walk.
Right.
Yeah.
So how far?
How far? Not too far, about 10 metres. Yeah. I've got basically, I'm doing a YouTube channel and I'm just doing a video. And one day I went down one of these holes and filmed it all.
Alright.
So-
What's your channel's name?
The Urban Legend UK.
Legend UK.
Yeah.
Alright. Have a look.
Yeah, please.
So we might.
Yeah. You'll see what it's like underneath.
What's your channel, The Urban Legend?
Yeah.
We'll have a
We
look.
said to make it our video and stick it in.
Oh, do you?
Right.
Oh, cool.
Can.
Well, man.
Asking you. Asking you.
Asking me to.
Alright, take a shot. You
Oh,
know.
oh, with using?
Yeah.
Yeah, get there and I'll take a picture of you, yeah?
Yeah,
Give me a second.